Hi, Tigger. Yes. There's in the he types picture of bears in the picture.
That's your brother, Philip Anderson.
Cheese.
Go give him a kiss. Say I love you, Anderson.
Nighttime. Cheese.
Go give him a hug and a kiss.
Mwah. Sleep, baby Anderson. Go to sleep. Night. Nighttime.
Night.
Emergency. The number is 911. Now you try 911. Wait. The correct answer is 1.
Where's Baby Anderson? Where's Sugar?
It's been the emergency. The number is 911. Now you try 911.
Where's Anderson? Hi, Sugar.
Hi, Sugar.
Where's Sugar Pie?
Hi, Sugar. Hi, Sugar Pie. Look.
Where's your brother?
Do. Hi, Sugar.
Can you give him a kiss, please?
Hi, Sugar.
Go give him a kiss, please. Give him a little kiss on his head.
Mwah.
Oh, come on.
Mwah.
Do it again.
Good night, Baby Anderson. What's the matter, cute boy? Oh, what's the matter, cute boy? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's wrong?
Anderson. Hi. Hi, Sugar.
Baby Anderson went to touch the caliper. The caliper was climbing the big tree. The tree's so very high.
Anderson. Bye-bye.
Look, I have my flower. Whoa! Whoa!
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Anderson.
Bye.